it's me Suraj Dev. In this video, we are discussing about how to create the Bitbucket repository and how to push the code to Bitbucket. So, follow the screen. First of all, go to bitbucket.org and after that, just sign up by using login. And here I am using with the login with Google and sdvinnovations@gmail.com. I am already signed up using my mail ID and I am just login now. So first of all, we need to create the repository. And I am using with the repository name as Bitbucket repo, and this is a private repository. And the difference between GitHub and Bitbucket is we get free Git repository in Bitbucket. And it's a private GitHub Git repository. But in GitHub, if you want to need a private repository, you need to pay. So I am using with the Bitbucket, and the repository name is Bitbucket repo, and access level is private and include README. And here default as yes, but I don't need readme now, so I just put to no. And the version control as Git, and advanced setup, descriptions and forking and language and like. So I am just blank the advanced settings and just create a repository. And then we get this like screen. Here there is an option. Let's put some bits in your Bitbucket and git clone and like and create readme and like, and also connect your existing repository to Bitbucket by using git remote at origin of sdvinnovations@bitbucket.org bar sdvinnovations bar bitbucket repo.git and git push /u origin master. So first of all, we are creating a folder and name as Bitbucket repo, and need to open the git bash here in this folder. So before that, we need to download the git into your machine. So you can get git in git-scm.com, and then you get a git pack here by download 2.24.1 for Windows. And if you also get a Mac and also with Linux git repo. So just download and install this GitHub, just git, and you get like git bash and git GUI, git cmd like applications. So then you get just right click on the blank repo or any other folder, then you get a git bash here menu in the right click menu. So just open the git bash here, and then you need to type git init, then a blank .git hidden the repo is generate, and it's contain the GitHub repo details. So then you need to just connect with the Bitbucket repository. So next you need to add origin to Bitbucket repo git repo. So I just copy this one and paste it here and just run. Then the origin is added to bitbucket repo.git, and that we already created. And then you can git push -u origin master, fail to put some ref to this here. So just we need to create a readme file, readme.emd, and just open it. And type bitbucket repo and save it and just close it on and take the browser. And next you need to add the commands like adding, committing, and pushing to the bitbucket origin. So just follow this step, like git add dot, then the all files, means in the all uncommitted files are added to the watching list. And next you need to commit the code. So git commit -m for message as first commit and press enter. Then we can see master root commit, first commit, one file changed, one insertion, and create mode is 100644 as readme.md. And next just we need to upload the readme.md to repo. So by git push -u and the origin, and next we the branch name, the branch is master, so that we can see here origin master. Oh yeah, the one error, yeah, yes, origin dot master, and press enter. Yeah, it's prompt to bitbucket password. So I just can't log in. So means I am using with the bitbucket here by login with Google. So I don't remember I don't know about the password and like details. So I just put the name. For resetting the password, so continue and take the mail. Yeah, I get the reset mail. I just update the password and just type here like and login. If the login is error, then you get an error here, but the login is correct. So it's push the code to Bitbucket repo. So we need to check the repo again. Just reload the page. Then you can see the readme.md here. Yeah, here the Bitbucket repo. You can see here Bitbucket repo. By this way, we can create Bitbucket repository and push the code to Bitbucket. So, if you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Don't miss to subscribe and press on bell button for notifications. Thank you.